Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Syllable D900 Mini. These are true wireless earbuds that you can get for under $35, which is an amazing deal in my opinion. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. Sorry in advance for the softer than usual voice. I recently got all 4 of my wisdom teeth removed and I'm still in the middle of recovering. Inside the box you get the true wireless earbuds themselves, of course, and they're wrapped in plastic. As you can see, it comes with a cool case that you can use to charge them, which is cool. You also get a plastic zip bag that has 3 extra pairs of ear tips in different sizes so that you get the best fit, another zip bag that has a micro USB cable for charging, and a small felt bag for carrying the earbuds. You can't fit the charging case in this pouch, but it's great if you want to carry the earbuds by themselves along with a couple of accessories like extra ear tips and the charging cable. The charging case is great. The top half is a semi-transparent piece of plastic so that you can see the earbuds and the indicator lights. The rest of the case is pretty plain and the micro USB input for charging is on the right. What I really like about this case is that it's magnetic. You can actually see the magnets on the cover that helps keep the case closed. It's fairly strong so that it won't accidentally open, and it's also very addicting to open and close like the Apple AirPods case. The earbuds come out very easily and I don't think that they're magnetically attached. They're still pretty easy to put on the charging case though. To charge, the earbuds use a couple of contacts that connect to the case. Since they're not magnetically attached, you would think that they would move inside the case, but that is not the case. The charging case actually holds the earbuds in place very well and they won't move at all. The earbuds are very simple and each of them only has one button. Of course, you use the buttons to turn on and off the earbuds, but you can also use the buttons to play and pause music, skip tracks, and even answer and end calls. The pairing process is almost the same as a standard Bluetooth device. You have to press the button on each of the earbuds for about 3 to 4 seconds to turn them on, and then pair them normally. Since they're regular Bluetooth earbuds, you can pair them up to any device that is Bluetooth enabled. The sound quality is okay, but for the price I think that it's really good. It's on par, I would say, with other Bluetooth earbuds that are around this price point. The sound is only a teeny bit muffled, but the bass is fairly punchy and it overall sounds decent. There's none of that white noise that you get with other wireless earbuds and earphones, which is great though. The battery life is okay, but again for the price, I think it's not bad at all. You can get up to 3 hours on a single charge and it takes about 40 minutes to charge the earbuds up to full. The charging case can charge the earbuds up to 4 times on a single charge, and the charging case takes about 2 hours to fully charge. These aren't the best battery times, but they're far from the worst. The D900 Minis are actually very comfortable to wear. They feel great and you do eventually forget that they're in your ears after some time, but they do look a little big and they stick out a little when you're wearing them. I have not been able to do any sort of workouts because I've had my wisdom teeth removed recently, but they do stay securely in my ears. Actual fit will vary from person to person though. To be honest, I think that these would work fine if I worked out in these earbuds. I assume that these earbuds are not water resistant, so I would keep that in mind when purchasing this pair. I think that sweat would be no problem though, just make sure to give the earbuds a good wipe down, especially the contacts for charging after you're finished. Overall, the Syllable D900 Minis are the best true wireless earbuds for under $35 in my opinion. The battery and sound quality is decent, but it's great considering the price point. You even get a bunch of accessories too, which is nice. If you don't want to spend almost 5 times more on a pair of Apple AirPods, these are a great option and I highly recommend them. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. That was my video review of the Syllable D900 Mini True Wireless Earbuds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.